Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving control. Sign into the account and enter your password so you can change recovery settings. Once done, use a secondary email or device to accept verification codes. This prevents lockout. Make sure to note the old recovery number and any linked devices so you won't accidentally remove your last way back in. This is critical because removing the only recovery option can require long support processes. Now proceed to the Account Security Settings page to update recovery preferences. You navigate to Security right arrow Recovery or Contact Info and locate the old phone number entry. Tap Remove or Edit and follow the on-screen prompts. Sometimes the system asks why. Choose the closest reason. When requested, enter the verification code sent to your backup email or device to confirm the change. This step ensures the platform knows it's you authorizing the removal. If prompted to add a new number, add one now to keep recovery options current and prevent future access issues. You finish by confirming the old number is removed and testing recovery options. Try a mock recovery flow to make sure your backup method works. If you removed the last recovery option, immediately add a new phone or alternate email to avoid getting locked out. If the platform rejects removal or asks for extra verification, follow the account recovery flow or contact support with proof of identity. This resolves stuck states. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache and try a different browser or device if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.